Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. My name is Nidhi and today I want to ask you one simple question. Do you also want to speak English? But you feel nervous? Do you feel shy? Do you feel stuck? Do you feel like you know English but you can't speak? If yes, then this video is for you. Because today I am going to share my real story. How I learned to speak English while staying at home. No big coaching, no expensive classes, no perfect environment, just simple practice and daily small steps. So relax, listen carefully and speak with me. Let us begin. I'm not here to show off. I'm here to motivate you because I know how it feels when you want to speak English but you can't. I know how it feels when people say, speak in English, and your mind becomes blank. I know how it feels when you understand everything, but you cannot reply. And I also know one truth. English is not difficult. English is a skill, and every skill can be learned. So today, I will share what I did at home, how I practiced daily, how I stopped fearing mistakes, how I became fluent slowly. And I promise you, after this video, you will feel confident. Let me tell you the truth. Earlier, I was also scared of English. I was not confident. I was always thinking, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh? What if my grammar is wrong? And because of this fear, I was silent. I was quiet. I was not speaking. But one day, I got tired of feeling weak. I got tired of feeling stuck. I got tired of saying, I can't speak English. That day, I decided I will learn English at home. No excuses, no waiting, no fear. And viewers, this was the best decision of my life. I accepted I will make mistakes. The first thing I did was I accepted mistakes. Yes, viewers, I accepted mistakes because mistakes are not shameful. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are part of learning. Even children make mistakes. Even fluent people make mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. So why should I feel ashamed? I told myself daily, I am learning. I am improving. I will speak. I don't care about mistakes. And slowly, my fear became smaller. Second step, what I did was, I started speaking alone at home. Viewers, this step changed everything. I started speaking alone. Yes, alone. In my room, in my kitchen, in front of the mirror. I spoke simple lines like, I am making tea. I am washing clothes. I am cleaning my room. I am feeling happy today. I am feeling tired today. I started describing my day in English, even if my English was broken, even if my sentences were small, because speaking is like exercise. If you don't do it, your mouth will not open. So I made a rule. Every day I will speak for 10 minutes, only 10 minutes, but daily, and viewers, daily practice is magic. I used shadowing practice. Listen carefully. This is my favorite method, shadowing practice. Shadowing means you listen, you repeat, you copy the voice, you copy the speed, you copy the pronunciation. I used YouTube videos, English podcasts, short stories, daily conversations. I did not translate. I did not stop again and again. I just listened and repeated. At first, I was slow. I was not clear. I was confused. But after some days, my tongue started moving faster. My confidence started growing. My fluency started improving. One day I realized I'm speaking without fear. I learned useful daily words. Many people try to learn big words, but I did not do that. I focused on daily words. because daily words make you fluent faster, like hungry, thirsty, tired, sleepy, morning, afternoon, evening, clean, cook, wash. When your daily words become strong, your speaking becomes automatic. Step 5. I talk to myself like a friend. Yes, I talk to myself, not like a teacher, like a friend. I said, Nidhi, you can do it. Nidhi, speak slowly. Nidhi, don't stop. Nidhi, you are improving. Because motivation is important. If you hate yourself, you will stop learning. But if you encourage yourself, you will grow daily. Step 6. I stopped comparing myself. Comparison kills confidence. I stopped comparing myself with others. Some people speak fast. Some people speak fluently. Some people speak confidently. But I told myself, my journey is mine. My speed is mine. My progress is mine. And viewers, when I stopped comparing, I started improving faster. Step 7. I made English a daily habit. I did not treat English like a subject. I treated English like a habit. Like brushing, like drinking water, eating food. Daily English, daily practice, daily speaking. And this is a secret, not motivation, not talent, only habit. Step 8. I started thinking in English. Slowly, I started thinking in English, not full English, small English. Like, what should I do now? I need water. I will call my friend. I'm going outside. And when you start thinking in English, you stop translating. And when you stop translating, you become fluent. Step 9. I practice real conversation at home. Like, how are you? I am fine. What are you doing? I'm studying. Can you help me? Yes, sure. I practice again and again. Same lines, same dialogues. Because repetition builds confidence. Step 10. I spoke slowly, not fast. Viewers, fluency does not mean fast. Fluency means smooth. Fluency means clear. And fluency means confident. So I spoke slowly. I spoke clearly. I spoke with pauses. And slowly, speed came naturally. I still remember one day, someone asked me in English, "Can you introduce yourself?" Earlier, I used to freeze. I used to panic. I used to feel blank. But that day, I smiled. I took a breath and I said, "Hello, my name is Nidhi. I am from India. I'm learning English. I love improving myself and I'm happy to talk to you. And I'm happy to talk to you." And viewers, after saying this, I felt so proud. Not because it was perfect, but because I spoke. That moment changed me. Listen to me carefully. If I can learn English at home, you can also learn. You don't need money. You don't need a perfect accent. You don't need to be perfect. You only need practice, patience, consistency. Start small, speak daily, make mistakes, learn daily, improve daily, and one day you will speak confidently. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. It motivates me a lot. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such English speaking practice videos. And press the bell icon so you never miss any new videos. And comment below. I will speak English confidently. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep shining. See you in the next video. Bye bye.